Another investigation by the NCB, where Riya Chakrabarti has already been questioned twice. Her brother has been arrested. And there is a third investigation being conducted by the Enforcement Directorate in the allegations of siphoning of 15 crore rupees, money laundering and other charges made by the family against Riya Chakrabarti. Where are these investigations? What are the stages where they stand? Take a look at this report.
3 investigations by 3 of the country's top agencies to solve the biggest mystery of the year, Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. It all began on June 14, 2020 with Sushant's alleged suicide at his Bandra flat in Mumbai. After sensational allegation from Sushant's family, Mumbai police got cracking on the case to find out whether Sushant was murdered. But unsatisfied with the Mumbai police's probe, family demanded a CBI inquiry, and their plea was heard. And the case was transferred to CBI on August 5 on the recommendation of Bihar government. CBI Special Investigation Team landed in Mumbai on August 21 and began its probe focusing on the big question, whether Sushant died by suicide or was he murdered. Over 15 days after CBI began questioning suspects, sources say AIIMS forensic team has questioned the suicide theory. The forensic team asked 5 Cooper Hospital doctors who conducted the autopsy why they ruled out homicide when ligature marks were horizontal and ran through the middle of Sushant's neck. Sources say the AIIMS forensic team feels this is unlikely from hanging by a kurta. Additionally, the marks were not high up, which is common in hanging.
Ligature mark appears horizontal in mid of neck. It's not high up. In mid of neck, bruised rather than high up placed, oblique and abraded. So if in case somebody hangs himself, then there's a whole abrasion that happens because the cloth actually travels from the middle of the neck to the highest most part of the neck. That entire abrasion is not seen.
Apart from murder-suicide probe, another apex agency, the Enforcement Directorate, has been probing another allegation leveled by Sushant's father, accusing Riya of embezzling 15 crore rupees of Sushant's money. But so far, no proof has surfaced showing transfer of 15 crores from Sushant's bank accounts to Riya Chakrabarti.
In the case against Riya Chakrabarti, there are 2 major charges: abetment to suicide and embezzlement of 15 crore rupees from Sushant Singh Rajput's accounts to some suspicious accounts. 6 people have been charged, which includes Riya Chakrabarti, her family members and 2 staffers working for Sushant Singh Rajput. Probing the financial anger and alleged money laundering, Enforcement Directorate launched a probe in this case and have questioned around 20 people. Sources tell us that they are yet to find any crucial leads regarding the missing 15 crore rupees.
After the Mumbai Police, CBI and ED, the Narcotics Control Bureau then entered the picture. And unlike the other probe agencies, their investigation has led to some sensational revelations. The NCB, just a week into its investigation into drugs link, has arrested Riya's brother Shovik and Sushant's ex-house manager Samuel Miranda, along with house help Dipesh Sawant, making it these the first big arrests in the Sushant death probe. Accused Riya is too under intense heat from Narcotics Bureau.
There is mounting pressure on Riya Chakrabarti as NCB sleuths are making a headway in drugs investigation. They are approaching Riya Chakrabarti with each and evidence possible, and Riya Chakrabarti is left with no option but to speak the truth.
It has been nearly 80 days since Sushant Singh Rajput died, and while different agencies are working to solve the mystery of Sushant's death, but we are still nowhere near learning the truth.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.